A bad installation can ruin your dream home. We're going to take you through the process of the installation of a new manufactured home. Avoid making these mistakes that can cost you thousands of dollars. Installing a manufactured home isn't about just dropping it on a lot. It takes planning, precision, and expertise to ensure it lasts for years to come. We're pulling back the curtain and showing you how to install a new manufactured home the right way, step by step. We had to be extra careful when transporting this home into the mobile home park. We were lucky enough, we didn't have any neighbors in the back or any obstruction, so we were able to pull the home straight through. We still had to make sure that we didn't hit any fences, trees, homes, or anything of the alike. It takes a team who is prepared, precise, and has the expertise to properly install a new manufactured home. Making sure your home is installed properly will save you time and money in the long run.